advanced filter option in Excel. Of a sales report of various products, we have items and with their category, the quantity, unit price and the total price is given. To make a filter, what we used to do is go to data, click on the filter icon, and from here select the product type. The other option is press Ctrl Shift L and then you'll get the filter option. So if I want to filter any product from the item, what we used to do is just click on the printer and click OK. We'll get the filter. Now if I want to change the filter, again I have to go back over here and select and then select the next item. This is not going to help us. You're going to see how the filter option is going to transform into an entirely automated. How we can do it? In order to do that, we need to convert this table into a table format. For that, you can select, press Ctrl A and press Ctrl T. Then you'll get a table option over here where you'll say my table has headers and click OK. Then the table will be converted into a table format. Now we are going to insert something called slicer. In order to insert the slicer, you need to click on the insert. Then here you can see an option insert slicer. You'll get the slicer bar over here. From here you will select which item you want to insert the slicer. In case I want to insert the product, I'll click on the product and then apply or OK. Then you will get the slicer over here. So now I'm going to format it. Just drag it over here and adjust the size. Then I'm going to divide the rows and columns into 5. So here you'll increase or decrease the number of rows, number of columns, where you can control this. And then now I'm going to adjust the size of the slicer. Now I can do the change the color, I can change the format, and I can adjust the width and length of this. Now the slices are inserted. Now if I want to filter any of the products, I just need to simply click over here. If I click, then the filter will automatically apply to those products. If I want to select 2 items into the filter, just click and drag on the 2 items. If I want to have 3 items to be filtered, just click and drag on 3 items. This can be done for all the data or multiple. In case you want to cancel the filter, you simply click on this button and the filter will be cancelled. This will be very helpful if you have hundreds of data. A click of a button, you'll get the filters. This is going to save you a hell lot of time when you apply filter in your worksheet. Now there are other options to calculate the total sum. If you want to see those videos, please let me know in the comment box. If you found this video useful, please do give me a thumbs up and also subscribe my YouTube channel.